How to retrieve archive emails Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you to retrieve your archive emails in Gmail. So, firstly you need to open Gmail application on your device. Simply tap on it and open it. Now on this inbox section, let's try archiving one of the email. Tap and hold the particular email and select the archive icon at top right corner. Now it has been moved to archive section. To retrieve this back, tap three-line icon at top left corner. Select all mails at bottom of the screen. Now here, how to identify the particular archive email is simply the email which does not have labeled inbox in it. Those are the archive emails. To retrieve it, tap and hold it and select the three dots at top right corner. Tap move to inbox and it has been moved to the inbox. So let's check all inboxes and here you will get that particular inbox for the email. So we have successfully retrieved the archive emails in Gmail. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.